And it is brought to you by Sandman Boxing Promotions in coordination with the Municipality of Malunod, Sarangani, headed by Municipal Mayor Tessa Constantino. And now introducing our three judges of this fight will be Jaime Mata, Brendo Dulagas, and Marlon Neri III. And the referee of this fight is Mr. Teodoro De Lora. Introducing first the fighter from the blue corner, wearing that blue with white trunks, official weight 111 pounds. His professional record, undefeated one, with 3 victories, no defeats, with 2 of his victories coming by way of knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, he is the high fly of Atos Cahoy, Caviria, Misamis Oriental, introducing Jordan Damashigo Atlaw! And his opponent, the fighter from the right corner, wearing the black with gold of the Sandman Boxing Gym, official weight 111 pounds. His professional record, also undefeated one, with 3 victories, no defeats. One with all of his 3 victories is coming by way of knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, he is the high fly of General Santos City, introducing Abu Bakar, the Bomb Yellow! 6 rounds of professional boxing.
Okay, boxer, listen to me. You know, in the roads, obey my commands all times. Protect yourself at all times. Okay, that's lang. Uga.
Go, Kuya Abu Bakar!
Start of the first round.
Manumbag dala to.
Okay. Ikut kanan dulu lah.
Hindi ko din naman. Last dula yung knockout. Knockout kailangan niya. Last dula sa knockout kalaban. Last dula sa naban ni Abu Bakar. Knockout. Magaling ito yung dula mga. Abu Bakar. Kung kailan nagdula to. Kung last yung dula niya. Mag-date ka lang. Di ambot lang ba? Basta ano, daog siya. Wala ka abot round. Wala ka abot round 1. Lilo. Ha? Ito sila na kuya mo si Lilo. Lilo?
Ladies and gentlemen, after 1